man days are needed to complete half of the work? Right? Half of the work. How many man days are needed? For 5 men needed 6 days, no? So man days you can calculate, men multiply days. So how many man days? 30. Right? 30 man days are needed. 30 man days. Then this question asks how many man days are needed for the whole work. Right? Then the 30 man days are needed for half of the work. So total work needed how many man days? Twice of this one, no? Because the half of the work needed 30 man days. So full work needed 30 times 2. So how many man days are needed? 60 man days. Right? It is the Look at the second question. According to the given figure, find the magnitude of x. Right. There are three angles you can see given. This angle is 2x, this angle is 3x, and this one is 80 degrees. Then you know the theorem you can apply here. What's the theorem you can apply? Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. You can apply for this question. So I can write sum of these three angles, 2x plus 3x plus 80 equal 180 degrees, because sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Then we can solve this simple equation. 2x plus 3x, 5x. 5x plus 80 equal 180. Then to remove this plus 80, what we have to do? Both sides you have to put minus 80. Then this plus 80 and minus 80 cancel. So 5x equal 100. Now we have to find the value of x. If 5x is 100, now both sides you can divide by 5. So 5 and 5 cancel. X equal 20 degrees. Right? So what is the answer for the second question? X equal 20 degrees. It is the second question answer of this paper. What you have to do? First you have to multiply square term n constant value. Right? This one positive and this one negative. So these two you multiply. 15 multiply x squared, 15x squared. Positive multiply negative, negative. So minus 15x squared. Right? Product of these two. Then you have to find what are the suitable factors for this question. 15 I can write 1 times 15, 3 times 5, right? Like that. Products I can write. Then we want to get the middle term 2x minus 2x, right? So what are the suitable factors? 3 and 5 are the suitable. So these two are not suitable. So what are the factors? The one factor should be 3x, another factor should be 5x. Then you have to check how about the signs of these two factors. Product should be negative. If the product is negative of multiplication of two directed numbers, these two should be different signs. No, that means this one should be positive and this one should be negative, or this one should be negative and this one should be positive. right? Then you check what is the product. I found the signs. Then the sum is negative 2x, right? So what are the suitable factors? Sum is negative 2x. So large magnitude should be negative, small magnitude should be positive. So what are the suitable factors for this question? Positive 3x and negative 5x. I can write instead this minus 2x, minus 5x and plus 3x. So I will write here x squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. Then we can find the factors of the first two terms. What is the common factor for first two terms? X common. So you can take outside the bracket x. Then from this term remaining x minus from this term remaining 5. Right? Then these two look at the common term you can see 3. Which 3 common? Plus 3. So positive 3 I can take outside the bracket. Then inside the bracket, you can write x minus 5. These two brackets, inside the bracket terms should be equal. Then again, I can take outside the bracket x minus 5 because these two x minus 5 common. Then from this term remaining x, from this term remaining plus 3. So what is the answer? What are the factors? X minus 5 and x plus 3. This given number, you have to divide by 5 until receive 1. 125, we can divide by 5. Then the answer is 25. 25 again we can divide by 5. Answer is 5. 5 again we can divide by 5. The answer is 1. So 125 you can write as product of these factors. How we can write? 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So how you can write a power? Index form you can write 5 to the power, what is the value? 3. 5 to the power 3. Right? It is the fourth region for these two sets. Right? A intersection B. Common region you have to shade. Also, the previous paper I revised the knowledge of the needed theory of the sets. Right? Intersection means the common region. So, common region for A and B. You have to shade. What is the common region? This is the common region, no? Right? It is the fifth question. You have to find the suitable value for x. To find x, you have to remove other all terms of this side. What are the other terms you can see? 2, 3, 1. First, you have to remove which one? The far value of x. What is the far value? Minus 1. How you can remove minus 1? Both sides you can put plus 1. 2x over 3 minus 1. Then I can write here plus 1. To balance this equation, also we can put other side plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 2x over 3 equal 5 plus 1, 6. Then we have to remove which one? 3. 3 connect with x with the division. To remove it, you have to do opposite mathematical operation. What is the opposite mathematical operation? Multiplication. Then 3 and 3 cancel. This side remaining 2x. 2x equal 18. Now both sides you can divide by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. X equal 18 divide to 9. So number 6 simple equation answer solution x equal 9. Right? X before find the equal sides, you have to find the remaining angle of this triangle, no? Right? You think this angle is x. I can find quickly x, the magnitude of x. How you can find it? You can apply the theorem. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So x plus 74 plus 53 equal 180. X plus, you have to add these two. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 5 12 equal 180. So x equal 180 minus 127. 10 minus 7 3. 7 minus 2 5. So what is the value of x? 53 degrees. Now I found this angle magnitude. It is 53. Then also you studied in grade 10 class another theorem related the triangles. No, if two angles are equal of a triangle, the opposite side of equal angles are also equal. What are the opposite sides? This 53 opposite side is AB and this 53 opposite side is BC, right? Opposite side. So what are the two equal sides of this triangle? AB and BC. So you can write therefore AB equal to BC. The question asks write two equal sides. What are the two equal sides? AB and BC. I will find the capacity, length into breadth into height. Length is 2 meters. Also breadth and height are equal, no? Because the cubic shape. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 cubic meters. Then also you, I think remember, no? In grade 9 class you studied the relationship between cubic meters and liters. 1 cubic meter equal 1000 liters. Right? 1 cubic meter equal 1000 liters. So I can convert this 8 cubic meters into liters. What you have to do? If 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters, 8 cubic meters equal to 8 multiply 1000 liters. So what is the answer? 8000 liters. 8000 liters. It is the 8th question answer. Question number 8. Right. How you can find the LCM of algebraic terms? First, you write down 4. 4 you can write down as the index form of the bases containing prime numbers. Right? How you can write 4? 4 we can divide by 2. 2. 2 again we can divide by 2. So 4 you can write 2 times 2. That means the index form 2 to the power 2. Then this one x to the power 2. This one y. Y I can write y to the power 1. Right? Then also 12 how you can write? 12 we can divide by 2. 6. 6 divide 2 3. 3 divide 3 1. So 12 we can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. That means 2 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power 1. 2 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power 1. Then x means x to the power 1. Y to the power 2. Z to the power 1. Right? Then when you write the LCM, what you have to do? You have to check what are the different bases of these two products. What are the different bases? The numerical values you can see 2 and 3. Also the algebraic terms, you can see x, y, z. They are the different bases. Then every basis you have to write the highest index, right? Check, you can see the base 2, this position and this position. This one index is 2, this one index is 2. So what is the highest index? Both are same, no? So highest index is 2. Then the power of 3, you can see here, its index is 1. Then check the base x powers, this position and this position. Their indices, this one 2, this one 1. So what is the highest index? 2. Right? Like this, all bases highest index you have to write. Y, what is the highest index? 2. Z, 1. Then you have to write the answer. 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means 2 times 2, 4. 4 multiply 3, 12. X squared, y squared, z. This is the LCM, right? It is the method of find the LCM of algebraic term. 10th one given, find the probability of getting a card with a prime number from the cards number from 1 to 10, right? How many cards? There are 10 cards, no? So how many possible all results? 10 results. Then you check how many prime numbers among these numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, and 7. So how many prime numbers? There are 4 prime numbers. So what is the probability getting a prime number? The prime number obtaining chance is 4. Then total possible outcomes 10. So what is the probability? 4 over 10, right? If you want, you can write the simplest form, 2 over 5, 4 over 10, or 2 over 5. Both answers are no problem correct, right? It is the probability of the 10th question.